Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Mazda CX-9. First, ensure your vehicle is equipped with Mazda connected services. You'll need an active subscription and the My Mazda app installed on your smartphone. This feature allows you to conveniently start your engine from a distance, perfect for warming up or cooling down your car before you even step inside. It's a simple process that adds comfort to your daily routine. To begin, your Mazda CX-9 needs to have Mazda Connect, which is typically standard on many models. Next, you must have an active subscription to Mazda Connected Services. This service enables the remote functions. Finally, download the My Mazda app from your smartphone's app store. This app is your primary interface for controlling your vehicle remotely, so having it ready is essential for a smooth experience. Once you've confirmed your subscription and installed the My Mazda app, open it up and log in securely. You'll see your Mazda CX-9 listed. Simply tap on it. Then, locate the engine start/stop icon, which usually looks like a power button. Tap this icon, and your vehicle will receive the command to start. It's that straightforward to get your engine running remotely, allowing you to prepare your car from afar. If your remote start doesn't activate, first ensure all your doors are securely closed and locked. The system prioritizes safety and won't engage if a door is ajar. Also, check your phone's internet connection. A stable signal is crucial for the app to communicate with your vehicle. Remember to check the description for the link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. These simple checks usually resolve most common issues, getting you back on track quickly and comfortably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.